Hi guys, how's it going? Michelle here with the Redverse Library. I'm here to tell you about our new take and make kit that we have coming up. So, what do spiders, Christmas trees have in common? Huh? Any idea? Well, I am going to tell you. This week's take and make craft is our lovely Christmas spiders. I think every tree should have a Christmas spider, and I'll tell you why. There is an old German legend as to why every tree needs a Christmas spider. So let me read it to you. A long time ago in Germany, a mother was cleaning for Christmas. Spiders fled up to the attic to escape the broom. On quiet Christmas Eve, the spiders slowly came down for a peek. Oh, what a beautiful tree, they thought. In excitement, they scurried up and down along each of the branches. They were filled with happiness as they climbed amongst the glittering beauty. But alas, by the time they were done, the tree was shrouded in their dusty gray web. When Santa came with the gifts for the children and saw the tree covered with spiderwebs, he smiled because he saw how happy the spiders were, but he knew how heartbroken the mother would be if she saw her tree covered in dusty webs. So he turned the webs into strands of silver, and the tree was even more beautiful than before. That's the story of tinsel on trees and why every tree should have a Christmas spider in its branches. So this week's Take and Make, you are making your own little Christmas spiders to put on your own tree. Hope you'll follow along and enjoy the craft. Guys, let's get started. Let's see what's in our bag. So first of all, we've got 2 full pipe cleaners that we've cut in half. We have a Christmas ball, we have a large bead, and we've got a piece of wire. And also in your kit, there will be beads for decorating the legs of your spider. So the first step we want to do is we want to take our Christmas ball and carefully feed through our pipe cleaners through our little ornament hanger there. Let's see if we can get them to go through. Sometimes they're a little fussy and a little tricky, but I promise you, you'll be able to do it. There's 2. Let's go see how number 3 wants to go. Oh, there goes number 3. All right, last one. Wish me luck. Oh, I'm bending a little bit, but there's number 4. Okay, so I have got all 4 strands of pipe cleaner through the bottom of our ball. See? So you just might have to wiggle these around a little bit till you get them more even. All right, so we've got this. It kind of looks spidery, doesn't it? Okay, so our next step is we are going to take our bead and our wire. We're gonna feed our wire through the middle of our bead and put it right in the middle of our string. Then we're gonna take it and kind of pin it, close it around the back and give it a quick spin. This will kind of lock the bead onto your wire. And then from there, we are going to take our ball and our bead and we're gonna put our bead over where the hanger is, and we're going to take our wire and we're going to wrap it around. We're gonna wrap it around a few times so that it stays nice and tight. And then once you've kind of got that on there, you are going to twist your wire closed and just tuck it in somewhere so that we don't see it. Okay, so now we've got this. We're kind of getting there, right? This is pretty basic. So next we need to worry about our legs. So we're gonna stretch the legs of our spider out into, come on, into 4s on each side because spiders have 8 legs, right? So the next step is to pull your legs up along the side of your ball. And then we need our spider's legs to bend. So we're going to give each leg a little bend. You can bend them at all different spots if you want to. Like a crickety one. That's okay. It'll help our spider stay on our tree. So look we are looking very spidery at this point. So now if you want, you can be done. This can be your Christmas spider. Or if you want to get a little fancier, this is where your beads come in. You can take your beads that come in your bag and you can start feeding some of the beads through your pipe cleaner. I stuck with red beads with my red pipe cleaners because I thought it would look a little fancy, kind of like sparkly ends on the feet of our Christmas spider. Oh, that's a big one. And don't worry about trying to make your spider perfect. As long as you do your best, that's all we care about. Oh, I've got a little tiny twist in my pipe cleaner here. Look at, he just got taller. And, oh, another twisted set of toes. And just keep going until you have all of your feet covered, or however you want to do it. If you want to put your beads up on the knees, if you want to make them look like bracelets, you can do whatever you want because this is your craft and your time to be creative. Okay, I'm done. So here we are. There's my little spider. Some of his legs have got a little mashed up when I was putting the beads on, but that's the great thing about pipe cleaners is they can easily be fixed. And there we go. These are our little pet Christmas spiders. How cute are they? I hope you enjoyed making your spiders, and I hope you guys have a great day.